What does the full keyboard access do on the iPhone? So you might have come across this, so let me explain it a little bit. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. For example, I was installing the Gboard or Microsoft SwiftKey as a third-party keyboard from the App Store, and before you enable it inside of the settings, you can see that you can enable it like that, but then there is another toggle which is called show full or allow full access. And this, when you click on it for the first time, is going to give you a pop-up saying that, or saying what the full access actually does. So it will allow the developer of that keyboard to transmit anything you type, including things you have previously typed with this keyboard. That means that the developer gets the data of your typing, right? So I'm not saying that it's going to be used in any bad way or anything, but they will certainly have the data. So this might include some other sensitive information. So it is up to you to decide if you give it the full access or not. But in plenty cases, the keyboard is barely usable unless you enable that full access. For example, some keyboards may still actually work even without it, even though the majority of features may be actually disabled. So it depends on your preference and the way you want to actually use it and share your data. So yeah, at least you know where you can find it, but I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.